Hello, this is the notes for 12.5 graph and circles. This is the standard equation. The center is x minus h squared, quantity squared, plus y minus k, quantity squared, equals your radius squared. So as you can see, here's the circle center is h. So really to do these, all you have to do is do the opposite of what's shown. So if it says a -2, so the opposite then would be a +2 for the center. And if this is a -3, so the opposite is a +3. So the center is located at 2, 3. And then to find the radius, you're going to take the square root of whatever they give you. So the square root of 100 is 10. And again, this is for the radius. Trying the next one. This is a +4, so you write a -4. This is a -1, so you write a +1. And to take the square root of 25, you get 5. Next one, write it in standard form. Well, you're doing the opposite now. So this is -8, so you write a +8 and square it. Plus y, this is 0, so you don't do plus or minus anything. And the opposite of squaring something, taking the square root, is to square it. So if I square the square root of 5 times the square root of 5, I get 5. Center is located at 3, so you write the opposite, -3. This is at 5, so you write the opposite, +5. And if I square this, I get 36. This one, center is at 5, 8. So, no, you're all right. So the center is at 5, 8. So x plus 5. So you write -5 squared, plus x, it says plus 8. So you write -8 squared. And then we have this point here. So one way is by graphing it. So if I was to graph this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the point 5, 8. And this says a -3 over 5 and then down 3. So if this is 8 to get there and then 3 more, this is going to be 11 for the radius. So if I square that, I get 121. So there's my equation. So my radius equals 11. Then the other way you can do it, if you can't graph it, is to take the square root. So x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And substituting, you'll get 2 plus 1 squared plus 3 minus 1 squared. And this would be the square root still, and the square root of 3 squared plus 2 squared. So this would be the square root of 9 plus 4, which is the square root of 13. So your equation then is going to be x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 13.